In this video, we're going to talk about aligning text. When you're aligning text, you can do that in several different ways. If I want to left align, I can choose this Align Left button, which is in the Alignment group on the Home tab. Or I can choose the Center alignment, or I can choose the Right alignment. Typically, your numbers are going to be right aligned and your text is going to be left aligned. You may choose to center your headings. Kind of depends on what you're wanting to see there. So I can come in and just center all of these. You can also change the alignment of things, or at least come in and center things from the mini toolbar here. You can also come in here to click on the More button, and it gives you some options here about your alignment so far as whether you want it left or center or whatever. You can use the indent button to move in text, or the outdent button here, or decrease indent, I guess technically, to pull that in that way. You may also be in a situation where you need to wrap the text within a particular cell, and so I might come in here to this cell here and select Wrap Text. And when I do that, what it does, now these email addresses in this particular spreadsheet are not great email addresses because they have a space in them. And to be honest, I did that on purpose because I didn't want anybody sending out email to these particular addresses. They are, so far as I know, junk addresses. So anyway, they have a space in them, that's why. All of that to say, you've got this wrapping text situation where it will come in and it will, rather than truncating off the text that goes off onto another thing, it's going to set that up to where it will display on multiple lines. Now, the other thing to say about this is when you're working with these lines, you can also choose whether or not you want, how you want the text aligned within the row. And so, for instance, I can choose top align or center align or bottom align, and it's going to change how that displays there. Another option that you have is merge and center. So, for instance, I might want to take this city and state field, and I might want to merge those fields together to make a city/state field. And so the way I could do that is click on this merge and center, and then I can type in city, comma, state, or something like that. And so then what that would do for us is it makes those cells G1 and H1 actually act like one large cell, and then it's going to center all of that in there. So if, for instance, I had a title here, so I might say Tree House Monthly Subscriber List, and I wanted to go in and merge that across several of these. What I could do is select that and then select where I wanted it merged and centered across, and then click on the Merge and Center button. And then it's going to allow me to do that. And there are several options here under Merge and Center as to what that does. One of the other things to know about this is you also may need to unmerge the cells at some point if you need to work with those.